A Westmoreland County lawyer is accused of swindling an inmate. Among the charges against the 69-year-old man are theft and deceptive business practices. KDKA's Ricky Sayer shares what the DA says the man used the money for.
The Westmoreland County DA says the lawyer visited the woman at the prison and offered to represent her. That's despite the fact that she already had legal representation. She agreed to pay him $2,500, but she ended up losing far more. We spoke with local attorney Blaine Jones to get his perspective on the case. The relationship between lawyer and client is one built on trust.
You have to be honest, you have to be thorough, and you have to be fair with everything that you're telling them.
But, according to the Westmoreland County DA, a Latrobe lawyer betrayed that trust.
In 20 years of practice, I've never seen an allegation quite like this.
The DA's office says lawyer John Allen Roth told the victim he could get her out of prison if she agreed to a $2,500 representation fee.
I never tell a client any absolutes.
Not only did Roth never appear as her lawyer or get her out of prison, the DA's office says Roth and his employee withdrew $31,000 from her account.
Those cases, particularly with this dollar amount, could lead to some type of incarceration if a person is in fact found guilty.
The DA's office says Roth used the funds to fuel his gambling habit. Detectives found he had more than $382,000 in transactions at Live Casino from April to September of this year.
If that is in fact the case, then there are serious repercussions, and
He says a gambling addiction could be considered a mitigating factor at sentencing. At the same time, in Roth's case, the DA says the victim was awaiting a competency evaluation determination and was previously deemed not competent to stand trial on other cases.
A person is somewhat preying on a person that is not legally competent. The courts will come down with a hammer on someone like that because that person's even more vulnerable due to their lack of perhaps mental understanding.
Roth was reprimanded by the state disciplinary board in 2015 for misconduct in 2 divorce cases. They said he represented clients without their consent. The board also says in 2009 he borrowed $15,000 from a client without advising him of all his rights.
You hear about attorneys taking money and doing things with money that they probably shouldn't, clients' money, but I've never seen an allegation where money was taken from someone who is legally maybe not competent. I've never seen that.
A black eye for lawyers that Jones says is rare. Jones says it's possible that the disciplinary board could disbar Roth. Now, to avoid something like this from happening to you, Jones says it's important to never be intimidated by a lawyer and to simply ask what's going on. In downtown Pittsburgh, Ricky Sayer, KDKA-TV News.